So this is kind of the process from start to finish. You want to open up your design in Canva, go to the share button. First you want to save it as an image. This will basically just save it to your camera roll, so save image. Then you want to go back to that share button, but this time click on the three dots. Then you want to find where it says template link and click on that. Copy this link and make sure that it is definitely the template link. If you copy any other link, it's not going to work. Then you want to go back to the Canva homepage and we're going to create a new design. We're going to create the Etsy cover photos. So for this, create a new design, custom size. It needs to be 2500 pixels times by 2000 pixels. This is just the best ratio to make Etsy cover photos to make sure that they actually fit. So then go ahead and create that design, and when you open it up, it should just be a blank canvas. From there, you can then make the cover photos. It's up to you how you want to create this. If it was an invitation, I'll show you how I would go around making it. So you don't actually have to go outside of the Canva app to create a mock-up. You can do it straight in the app. So go to Elements, type in invitation, and then go to photos. From here, loads of designs of blank invitations will show up. I actually ended up typing in pink invitations just so it fit with the theme. Open up one of these and then resize it to fit the page. From there, you can add your design onto that design, resize it, reshape it, rotate it to make it fit. It's a similar process with all sorts of products like business cards, logos, planners. I always like to add a little shadow behind, so click on the image, go down to effects, click on shadows, and then choose a shadow that you think works best. I always use the first one and then just edit the intensity. And then you can think about adding things like text to make sure that you've got all the information on there, like the price, what's included. These are some examples of cover photos that I've created for different products. I actually sent these templates into the group chat for you all to use. So anyway, once you've got your cover photo design, go to the share button, save it as an image. Again, this will just save it to your camera roll. So once you've done that, you want to go back to the Canva homepage. We're going to create a new design. It doesn't really matter on the dimensions for this one, so just choose any. We're going to be creating something that's called a link page or a landing page or a thank you page. And this is basically what's sent to the customer once they've purchased it. So it'll have the instructions, how to download it, how to use it, and also a link that they can click on to then take them to the product to edit on Canva, if that makes sense. I always add an image of the cover photo to the design just so the customer knows what they're downloading. Then you want to create a blank text box that says something like template link, click to download now, click on the three dots, go down to link and paste the link that we copied before from the original design. And this will basically hyperlink that text box so the customer would then be able to click on it and open up the original design for themselves. Then they would be able to edit that design for themselves without editing your original design. So once you've done that, you want to go to the share button. You want to click on download, but you want to make sure that you're downloading it as a PDF standard. So that'll save it to the files on your device. Let me just show you how this would work. So when a customer purchases a product off your website or from your Etsy storefront, they would then receive this file. They could then click on the template link button and it would take them straight to Canva like this to then edit and use the design for themselves. Once you've done all of this and you've created the cover photo, you've created the landing page, you want to go to the Etsy sellers app and you basically just want to fill everything out. So fill out the categories, add the cover photo, add the title. For the titles and descriptions, I always go to ChatGPT and just ask them to write them out for me. The same with the tags as well and keywords. It just saves time and it makes it so much easier. So you can just copy and paste everything from ChatGPT onto the listing. Then you want to fill out the price, specify that it's a digital item, and then